and welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing for you, and as you can tell, it's pretty special. You can probably tell by the box already, but these are the Nike Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found. And this is probably one of the most hype sneakers of the year. I managed to actually get two pairs, one exclusive access from Sneakers, which is this pair, and then another pair from Foot Patrol raffle. So I got pretty lucky, but I'm just going to be unboxing these and giving you my first impressions of them. But we'll start with the box because I think the box is actually pretty cool. So they come in a mismatched box. The lid is an orange Nike box lid, and then the bottom side of it is a black and red Nike Jordan 1 box, which you'd expect, but it does have a little few extra things on the box. So they give off this kind of like worn look to it, where it has pretty much just white parts of the box. It's not actually worn out, which gives it a little bit of a vintage look to it, as you can see here. Then they also have cool little things like obviously the sales sticker on the side. It's just to give the idea that this box has been kept in storage for so long, and it used to be a much cheaper price and were actually on sale in the past. But we'll open them up and take a look at the shoes. So we'll take off this orange lid, and you have like a newspaper article on the top here. You can see it from the close-up, where you can see lots of different Jordan details, and you can take a closer look if you want. So we'll open it up. It is actually double papered, and then here is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I think these are incredible. So take the shoes out, and at the bottom you can see it does come with a Sandys Bros receipt as well. You can see here from the close-up, and the date on it is the 30th of August 1986. And it says Air Jordan basketball shoes, paid cash, final sale. But it's just cool little details like this that they add to special releases, which just make it a little bit special and a little bit something different. And I just love that about Nike. That is a great little touch to add to this. Close the paper in, and we'll move the box to the side. So now let's talk about the shoes themselves. Obviously, Chicago colorway. You can't really go wrong with a Chicago Jordan 1. And there's just a few little more details on this which just make it a little bit special. So it's meant to have that vintage look, so it's been kept in storage for a long time, but obviously we all know this is a dead stock pair and it's brand new. And I'll show you some of the details which try and give off that vintage vibe. So around the top part here on the black leather here, you can see it's cracking all over. I do actually know some people who received pairs and this part was moldy, which is a little bit weird. And I think Nike's put out an apology for this, but my pairs were pretty clean, can't really complain about them. There is no mold on my pairs, and I think that cracked design on the top actually looks really nice and adds a little different texture vibe to it. It looks a little bit different at first glance. Then the next thing is the cracked leather on the toe box. Hopefully you can see that there. From the close-up, it does have a cracked white leather toe box. And as you all know, my favorite thing about Jordan 1s is when it has a white toe box and a white tongue. And these do come with two sets of laces, pre-laced, so you can go with a black one or a white one. I'm personally going to go with a white one because I just think with a white tongue and white toe box, an all white front just looks absolutely amazing, especially on a pair of Chicagos. If we spin the shoe upside down, we'll take a look at the tread here. I'll give you a close-up of that. You can see it almost has chalk marks on it, which make it look a little bit vintage, which I think is an incredibly nice touch. And although you won't really see this because if you're going to wear them, that'll get dirty within 2 seconds and pretty much, and I think that chalk covering over the top will just come straight off. But it is a cool touch if you are a collector and are keeping them dead stock. So I do have a fake pair on the way, they just haven't arrived yet, and I will be doing a comparison for you if you are trying to see the difference between a real and fake and what to do if you're trying to purchase a retail pair. So that will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. But this was just a quick unboxing and giving you my first impressions of the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Really happy to have these in my collection, and I might actually do a giveaway with one of the pairs because I managed to pick up two. But yeah, these are incredibly nice. I can't complain about them at all. Let me know if you picked up a pair or are you going to pay resale. I think it's about £350 at the moment, but I do expect it to go up over time, just with people wearing these and the dead stock pairs coming a little bit more rare. But yeah, a really clean colorway, and it's nice that they've added a few more details to just make this release a little bit special. And just to add on to the end of the video, I didn't just pick up the adult version, so I'll put these to the side right here. I managed to pick up the children's version as well, but a little bit disappointed they come in this box. I think it would have been cool if they added the same Lost and Found box. So this is the box that they came in, so we'll open them up. It comes with just normal paper, and here they are. So this is a children's size 11.5C, and this is what they look like. pretty small and look really cool as a collectible item, or if you have children, you can obviously give them to them. But I obviously am just going to use this as a collectible item, probably going to go on the wall behind me. But I'm just a little bit disappointed in the presentation of these. It would have been cool. Obviously, they're just going to go on a child's feet and they're going to wreck them. But as a collectible, it would have been cool to have all the accessories with them. I also think sneakers look way better when they're small sizing. So let me know what you think of these. Here's them side by side. But once again, really happy to get these in my collection. Let me know down below in the comments if you picked up a pair. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.